I automated my entire business with AI. Here's exactly how. Complete YouTube script, 950 words, 6.5 min runtime. Hook. What if your business ran itself while you slept? Not someday, not in theory, right now. I'm talking about emails answered automatically, client proposals written in seconds, social media scheduled for the entire month, done in one afternoon. Entrepreneurs using AI business automation are getting back 20 hours a week. That's not a productivity hack. That's a second life. And right now, you're probably still doing everything manually. Every single task that ends today. Problem. Here's the brutal truth about running a business in 2024. You didn't start a business to become a slave to it. You started for freedom, for impact, for money on your terms. But instead, you're drowning in repetitive tasks, writing the same emails, answering the same questions, creating content that takes hours, chasing invoices, scheduling meetings, building reports nobody reads. Every hour you spend on that stuff, that's an hour stolen from actual growth. And here's what makes it worse. Your competitors have already figured this out. Right now, someone in your industry is using ChatGPT for entrepreneurs exactly like yourself, and they're moving 3 times faster than you. They're not smarter. They're not working harder. They're just automated. So let me show you exactly how to catch up and then blow past them. Step 1. Audit your time vampire tasks. Before you automate anything, you need to know what to automate. Grab a piece of paper right now. Write down every task you repeat more than twice a week. Emails, invoices, content, reports, customer questions, meeting prep. That list? That's your automation roadmap. Circle anything that is text-based or research-based, because AI handles those perfectly. Business productivity AI lives in the repetitive, the predictable, the process-driven. Start there. Step 2. Build your ChatGPT clone with custom prompts. Here's where most people get AI completely wrong. They open ChatGPT and type, "Write me an email." They get garbage. They give up. They say AI doesn't work. The secret? You need a system prompt, a master prompt. Think of it as training a new employee on your business. Tell ChatGPT your brand voice, your customer's name, your offer, your tone, your non-negotiables. Here's a real example. Type this. You are a business assistant for. Our tone is professional but warm. Our customer is a 35-year-old entrepreneur who values time, never use corporate jargon, always end with a clear next step. Save that prompt. Use it every single time. Now every email, every proposal, every message sounds like you, without you actually writing it. Step 3. Automate your content pipeline in one session. Content creation kills more entrepreneurs than anything else. You need to post. You know you need to post, but it takes forever. Here's the AI business automation system that changes that. One time per week, set a 90-minute content session. Feed ChatGPT one core idea, one topic, one lesson from your week. Then ask it to create one LinkedIn post, 3 Twitter threads, 5 Instagram captions, and 1 email newsletter. That's a month of content compressed into 90 minutes. Then use a scheduling tool like Buffer or Hootsuite to push it all live automatically. You just bought back hours every single week. Step 4. Build an AI customer response system. Every business gets the same 20 questions, over and over and over. Stop answering them manually. Build what I call your FAQ vault. Take your 20 most common customer questions, feed them into ChatGPT, generate perfect, on-brand answers for every single one. Paste those into your email templates, your chatbot, your FAQ page. Now here's the next level move. Use a tool like Zapier connected to ChatGPT's API. Set it up so incoming emails get automatically drafted with an AI response, waiting for your one-click approval. You go from spending 2 hours on email to spending 10 minutes. That's not an exaggeration. That's Tuesday. Step 5. Create your weekly AI business review. The most successful entrepreneurs I know do this every Monday morning. They dump their business data into ChatGPT, revenue numbers, customer feedback, task list, goals. Then they ask one powerful question. What are the 3 biggest bottlenecks in my business right now, and what should I prioritize this week? ChatGPT becomes your free business consultant. It sees patterns you're too close to see. It prioritizes without emotion. It keeps you focused when everything feels urgent. 5 steps. That's your complete AI automation system. Audit your tasks, build your master prompt, automate your content, systemize your responses, run your weekly AI review. CTA, here's your homework.